Good day, everyone. This is our gospel reading for this day from the Gospel of Saint Matthew, chapter 18, verses 1 to 5 and 10 to 14, and I will read it for you. At the time, the disciples came to Jesus, asking, "Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven?" So Jesus called a child to come and stand in front of them, and said, "I assure you that unless you change and become like children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. The greatest in the kingdom of heaven is the one who humbles himself and becomes like this child. And whoever welcomes in my name one such child as this welcomes me." Say that you don't despise any of these little ones. The angels in heaven, I tell you, are always in the presence of my Father in heaven. What do you think a man does who has 100 sheep and one of them get lost? He will leave the other 99 grazing on the hillside and go and look for the lost sheep. When he finds it, I tell you, he feels far happier over this one sheep than over the 99 that did not get lost. In just the same way, your Father in heaven does not want any of these little ones to be lost. Sa ating Ebanghelyo po ngayon ay ginamit ng ating Panginoong Kristo ang imahe ng isang bata, no, upang ipakita, no, ipangaral ang kahalagahan ng pagsunod sa kalooban ng Diyos, no, para makapasok sa kaharian ng langit. Be like a child na may kababahang loob, no? Na handang sumunod, na umaasa sa mga magulang, and being simply in life. At sinabi pa ng ating Panginoong Kristo na huwag nating hamakin ang mga bata dahil sila ang karapat-dapat sa kaharian ng langit. Kaya tayo po ngayon bilang isang Kristiyano na tagasunod po ng ating Panginoong Kristo, sana ito ang pangarapin natin. Sana ito ang pagsikapan natin na maging karapat-dapat tayo sa kaharian ng Diyos, no? Dahil ito ang plano ng ating Panginoon na tayong lahat ay makasama niya. Kaya andyan siya palagi, no? Na naghahanap sa atin, no? Kahit tayo ay nawawala, tayo man ay bad boy. Kahit puso natin ay sinungaling paminsan-minsan, palagi nating tandaan, mahal tayo ng ating Panginoon. Mahal ka ng ating Panginoon. Amen and amen. Your True Caps from Benguet First Provincial Mobile Force Company na palaging nagsabing, be grateful, be joyful, be thankful with a humble heart. Thank you po and God bless.